Have you ever experienced a bad cold and you had an advice such as this? Just take antibiotics, you'll feel better in no time. Sounds familiar, right? But what if I told you that that advice could actually be making things worse? Some of these advices are nothing but myths. In fact, up to 50% of antibiotic use worldwide is inappropriate. These are statistics from the World Health Organization. That means that millions of people are unknowingly fueling crisis through believing such myths. By this I mean a world where simple infection could become deadly. Okay, I guess because of antibiotic resistance. Do you still think you know how antibiotics work? Stick around because one of these myths may just surprise you. Hello everyone, I'm Nicholas. I'm a pharmacy practitioner. Okay, and allow me to truly appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. Your health matters, and today we are tackling something very crucial to our health. Okay, so antibiotics have saved millions of lives worldwide, but despite their importance, shocking misinformation is everywhere. Okay, so today we are exposing the top 5 myths about antibiotics that could be putting your health and the health of future generation at serious risk. So let us dive straight in. Okay, antibiotics are life-saving, but they are also one of the most abused medications. Guess the results: a global health crisis of antibiotic resistance. You know that bacteria are getting stronger, smarter, and harder to kill. And funny enough, we are helping them to evolve through our behavior towards these antibiotics. Let's look at some of the biggest antibiotic mistakes that we make when we get exposed to these medications. Number one is taking them for viral infections like the flu or common cold. Number two mistake is maybe in the midst of the dose, stopping the medication early because you feel better. The mistake number three is that thinking stronger antibiotics are always better. This amazes me because each of these could lead to a future where even minor infection become very deadly, and we don't want to reach there. So let us break down these myths one by one. Okay, some of the myths that I've researched and brought them to you. So myth number one is that believing that antibiotics work against viruses. The truth is that antibiotics kill bacteria, not viruses like the flu, common cold, or COVID-19. Are you taking them unnecessarily? You are not just wasting medicine, but also helping bacteria become resistant. So watch on that, okay? Myth number two is that if you feel better, you can stop taking antibiotics. The truth is that just because you feel better doesn't mean the infection is gone. Some bacteria may still be lacking or rather lingering in your body, waiting to strike back stronger than before when you stop taking this medication in the midst. So always finish your full course of treatment. Okay? Myth number three is believing that stronger antibiotics work better. No. The truth is that more powerful antibiotics aren't always better. The fact is that when we take this stronger antibiotic unnecessarily, okay, you may wipe out good bacteria from your system and fail resistance. Just imagine that. So myth number four is believing that you can save leftover antibiotics for later use. Why would you have antibiotic leftovers in your house? This means that you are non-compliant with medications such as this. The truth is that every infection needs the right antibiotic. So, are you taking leftovers? You could be using the wrong one, which will make your infection harder to treat, and you don't want to reach such a point. Myth number 5 is believing that you should take antibiotics every time you have fever. Really? The truth is that fever isn't a disease, it is a symptom. Okay? And most fevers are caused by viruses, which antibiotics do nothing against. But here's the biggest myth of all myths, okay? It's believing that antibiotic resistance is someone else's problem. Or, let me put it better, is believing that antibiotic resistance only affects some people. It is not, okay? Imagine a future where a simple cut could turn fetal because no antibiotic work anymore. A world where routine surgeries, childbirth, and infections become life-threatening. This isn't science fiction. It is a real threat happening right now. The choices we make today will determine the future of medicine and the health of our bodies. So, up to this point, I hope now you know the truth about antibiotics. So let us recap in summary. Number 1, we have learned that antibiotics don't work against viruses. Number 2, always finish a course even if you feel better. Number 3, stronger doesn't mean better, okay? Number 4, leftover antibiotics is a bad idea. Number 5, if you have fever, don't always run for antibiotics. Now, let me hear from you. Have you ever believed any of these myths? Tell me in the comment section below, okay? Let's spread awareness and share this video to help others stay informed. Sharing is caring, remember. So, do you want more expert health tips? Well, check out my other videos on medications, health, and pharmacy facts. Okay? Don't forget to hit the buttons displayed here below. I would appreciate it. Finally, stay informed, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.